Good morning, student. Today we will learn how to arrange rational numbers in ascending order or descending order. Let's see. We having here four numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4, 5 upon minus 6. Keep remember, if any rational number having a negative sign, so first we will make it positive. Then 2 upon 3. Here, that's why we will make it positive. How can we make it positive? Let's see. Variation. First we write the rational number as it is: minus 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4, 5 upon minus 6, and 2 upon 3. If we make it positive, we can write here minus 1 upon 2 will come as it is 3 upon 4. Here, as you know that if we want directly also you can write. It is depend on your choice. If you don't know, there are many students, they don't know how to make it positive. For those, I am multiplying here. Okay, minus 1, comma, 2 upon 3. Minus 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4. When you multiply 5 in the 5 and plus minus minus. Minus minus plus and 6 will just 6. 2 upon 3. Now look here. All the denominator are positive. Now we want to compare. Ascending means what? Whenever we want to compare or add or subtract two or more rational numbers, we need to find out the LCM of their denominator. Let's find out. So we get right here LCM of 2, 4, 6 and 3. Do you know what is the LCM of 2, 4, 6 and 3? It will be 12. What? It will be 12. If you don't know, I will show you. How will you find here? We get here 2, 4, 6, 3. LCM. First, whenever you are finding the LCM, the first you have to divide by 2. Use the prime number. The smallest prime number is 2. That's why we are dividing by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. 3 will come as it is. This is the prime number. Now again, we are having even number. I mean, we divide by 2. 1 will come as it is. 1 ja 2, 3 will come as it is. This 3 also will come. Now next prime number is 3. We divide by 3. 1, 1, 1, 1. Now how you get the what is the LCM of these four numbers? We can write here 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12. In this way we get the LCM 12. Now let's see what after getting the LCM 12, we can say that the common denominator of all these four rational numbers will be now 12. And how can we make 12 the each denominator? Okay, so we can write here minus 1 upon 2 is equal to. Now, when you divide this 12 by this denominator 2, so we can divide this 12 by 2, you get 6. We got the 6. Now multiply by 6 this numerator and denominator. We can write here as 1 upon 2 multiplied by 6. So you will get 6 1 the 6 and 6 to the 12. Okay. So next number 3 upon 4. We can write here 3 upon 4. Here also we want to make its denominator 12. How can we make it 12? Again the same procedure. This LCM 12 divided by 4. So we can write here 12 divided by 4. What you get here? 3. After getting this 3, this numerator and denominator should be multiplied by 3. So we can go 3 upon 4. Now 3 into 3. If you multiply, what you get here? 3 3 is 9. And next 4 3 is 12. 9 upon 12. Now next number minus 5 upon 6 is equal to. Now here again we want to make its denominator 12. How can we make its denominator 12? Again this LCM should be divided by 6. So we can divide 12 divided by 6 to we get here 2. It means that this number should be multiplied by 2. Here we are multiplying by 2. 2 5 minus 10 and 2 6 the 12. Okay. Now, it is the which number is left? 2 upon 3. Now we can write here 2 upon 3 is equal to. Now, who will tell me? Yes. This 12 should be divided by 3. So here we can write here 12 divided by 3. What you get here? 4. Now this number should be multiplied by 4. So we can write here 2 upon 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. 2 4 is 8. 3 4 is 12. Now you are able to compare because each rational number having denominator 12, 12, 12, 12. When their denominator change, so their numerator also will be changed. Okay. So what is the now numerator is minus 6 here, here 9, here minus 10, here 8. Now we want to arrange in ascending order. Okay. Ascending means what? Is smallest to greatest. So now first we have to see, we can write here on arranging in ascending order. Okay, so we want to arrange ascending order. So which number we should write the first? Just I made you give you the smallest. Can you tell me? Anybody is there who can tell me which is the smallest number among these 4 numbers? Minus 6 upon 12, minus 10 upon 12, 9 upon 12, 8 upon 12. I had already taught you in which class? In 6th class also, in 7th. Negative number is always smallest and positive is greatest. But here we are having the 2 negative numbers, 2 negative rational number. So which is the smallest number?
Minus 10 upon 12.
Minus 10 upon 12 will be the smallest. Got it? So which number we should write first?
Minus
10 upon 12. So we can write here minus 10 upon 12. Then minus
6 upon 12.
Minus 6 upon 12. Then which number we are doing? Here
8 upon 12.
8 upon 12, comma 8 upon 12. Next number
9 upon 12.
9 upon 12. Minus 10 upon 12 increase minus 10 upon 12. What can we write here?
Minus 5 upon 6.
The 5 upon minus original number. Okay, original number we can write that. We can write here 5 upon minus 6. Then in place of minus 6 upon 12, which number we should write? Minus 6 upon 12. Minus 1 upon 2. Minus 1 upon 2. Right here. Minus 1 upon 2. Now next number 8 upon 12. In 8 upon 12, then which number we should write?
2 upon 3.
2 upon 3. 2 upon 3 is on positive. 2 upon 3. Now next number
3 upon 4.
Obviously next number is 3 upon 4. This is our answer. Any problem in this? Now I hope you will be able to understand how to arrange rational numbers in ascending and descending order. When you want to arrange a descending order, keep remember we have to arrange the greatest to smallest. Is that clear? Now we will learn how to find out the absolute value of a rational number. The absolute value of a rational number is its numerical value. Do you know what is numerical value? What is the number 3 minus 3 upon 4? So the numerical value of this 3 upon 4 regardless of its sign. Regardless means what? Sign is not a meter. It is always positive. I have written here. It is always positive. Okay. Minus 3, the absolute value of minus 3 upon 4 is equal to minus 3 upon 4. Here is equal to 3 upon 4. And the absolute value of 7 upon 10 is equal to 7 upon 10. Is that clear? With the help of this question, simplify. If you want to simplify this question, here also we have to find the absolute value. Before finding the absolute value, first you have to solve, simplify. Solve this expression. Now we want to simplify. How will you simplify? Simplify, we have to solve this expression. How will you solve this expression? Minus 3 divided by 1 upon 9. This divide sign can be converted into multiplication. Okay, because there are many students that has the problem. Here we will use the reciprocal property. So we can write here the reciprocal of 1 upon 9 is equal to 9. As you know that when we use the reciprocal property of a number, when we want to convert that division sign into multiplication, here that's why we are using this property, that's reciprocal property. Okay, here minus 3 will come as it is in division sign. Now we can convert it into multiplication. Okay, division sign converted into multiplication. Now this number also will be changed. 1 in place of 1 upon 9. Now what should we write here? 9. We can write here 9. Now here you can solve. We have to multiply minus plus minus. We write here minus sign and 3 9 are 27. Now we have to find its absolute value. What is the absolute value of minus 27? 27. Because just I have already made it clear. Absolute value is always positive. That's why we are getting a positive. This is our required answer. Now let's see the second question. 1 upon 8 minus 5 upon 16. Here also we have to simplify. How will you solve this? Here we have to subtract. Okay. Now if we want to subtract, so first we have to make their denominator same. And how will you make their denominator same? By finding their LCM. We find the LCM of 8 and 16. LCM of 8 and 16 is equal to 16. One more thing is there, that directly we can find out the LCM 16. How can you find? Because both numbers are coming in the same table. Okay, in that table they are coming, and use the greater number 16. The greater number will be the LCM. Keep remember. Now to begin right here, LCM is 16. Now this 16 divided by 8. So we get 2. 2 will the 2. This minus sign will come as it is. Now this 16 divided by 16, you get 1. 1 multiplied by 5, so you get here 5. Okay. Now minus 5 plus 2. So we have to subtract because these two numbers having the opposite sign. So we subtract. What we get here? Minus 3 upon 16. What is the absolute value of minus 3 upon 16? 3 upon 16. This is our required answer. What is? In the idea answer. Okay. Also we can idea our answer.